Alright guys, in this video I'm going to derive the power property and the change of base rule for logarithms. Similar to the last one, we're going to go the exponential route, and again there are a lot of different ways to do this online. So feel free to Google it and find some other ways that maybe work for you or you might like better. So I wrote the power property right here where we have log base b of some base to an exponent. And this is equivalent to moving your exponent out front or multiplying the exponent by that same log. So we're going to start by just rewriting this log as an equation. So I'm going to have y equals log base b. I changed my variable to x, so x to the p power. And then we're going to change the form to exponential equation. So my base to the y power is equal to x to the p. Now, if you look back up in our original equation here, we really want to make it so we don't have an exponent for p. So what I'm going to try to do is eliminate this exponent. And if we were solving, we could do that by taking the pth root of both sides or raising to the 1 over p power. So I'm going to do that to both sides. And we'll get b to the y over p equals x. And then I'm going to change the form back to a logarithm. And the last thing, I'm just going to multiply p over to the other side. So we've got that change of base rule. Oh, going a little too fast there. So again, lots of other ways, or this is our power property, lots of other ways to work that out, and you can check online for that. So we'll jump ahead to our change of base rule now. Get things moving along here. And here's our change of base. So basically, get it? We have a log, b of x, and you can write it a number of ways. Log, common log, x over log b. You can use natural log, x over natural log b, or any base for any logarithm. Now I'm going to approach this similar to how we did last time, thinking about the exponential form. So if I have some logarithm, y equals log b of x, then it's equivalent to b to the y equals x in our exponential form. So using this, I'm actually going to take the logarithm of both sides. And now using our power rule that we proved in the last one, we can pull that y out front and then just divide that log b over. And you can do this, again, skipping ahead too far, you can do this with any logarithm right here where I take the log of both sides. I could use natural log, I can use a specific base, and be all set. So there's a couple proofs of some of our rules. Hope it worked out, and keep trying out our worksheets.